This is what typical Tarrant County cases or PDFs look like. They have the case number in the beginning, and then I guess it's the date following appended to it. Um, so one thing to note is that the case number begins with a three-digit prefix, a dash, and then 6 digits. So you'll see why that's important in a second. This is the Tarrant County starting page. If I haven't already, we'll give you the login, and they have a CAPTCHA here. This is just necessary for the beginning. And I'll type it in DGBA and then sign in. Put it in again, FBUF. Okay. So when we get to this page, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Delinquent Tax Case Information. Now on this page, we're going to click Tax Case and Transaction Information. So these are some case numbers that I wrote down before. And we'll start with the first one. And I'm just going to move it off to the side so I can use it. But you can see that the prefix is 017. So over here in the court, I click down and I find 017. And then for the other number, I copy this and paste it in there. And then hit search. Okay, having hit search, you can see that there are a whole bunch of documents here. Here's a PDF, here's a PDF. These lines don't have PDFs, and you can scroll down and you can see that there's more PDFs. So this is where you get the documents. So to download the document, you click here and you get it like any other PDF, and you click download. I moved it over a little bit. And it seems to be going into my staging folder, and it's called Download Transaction Image in staging in this folder. So, okay. Right. Then let me drop this down and I'll close it. Now let me do the next one. Download it. It downloads it as the same name. You can see it's, maybe you can't see. On the bottom, it's called Download Transaction, and then it has one in parentheses. So it basically downloads them all with the same name, but it keeps incrementing the number. I won't bother saving it. I'll close that. So you download all the documents, and you'll notice here that it says the case status is pending. I guess if it said closed, you would not be interested in that. So you should check the case status also. Okay. Then the next thing is we have another document here. And we see it has the same court number, so we don't have to change that. We could just leave that, I guess. If it was different, we'd have to get another one. And I'll just copy the next case number in. Search, and now you have a different case with different documents. So you don't have to go back to the the first page again. So that's how you do it. Once you download the documents, they don't have watermarks, so you can OCR them and then upload them to Airtable just like you did for Harris County. So this pretty much explains how you would do Tarrant County.